What's up and good morning, guys? Well, not even morning. Shoot, it's like, I don't know, 4 o'clock in the afternoon right now, as you guys can see. Sky is really gray. Ever since Jack left, I swear this weather's just been sticking around. So thanks, Jack, for bringing out some Pennsylvania weather to us. So we got to get the Denali all super cleaned out today, because today is probably one of the biggest days of the BBB build, but probably also one of my least favorites, because as you guys know, this truck is going to be getting a bulletproof front end, and I don't know that I really went into detail as to what we're going to be doing on the front end. So as you know, on my Silverado, I had the bulletproof 12-inch kit with the dual shock hoop, and that's pretty much their standard 12-inch kit. Well, for this truck, I decided I wanted to do something a little bit different. I still want to stick with bulletproof because they've been really good to me, but I wanted a better ride quality, and I saw they were dabbling a little bit with coilovers. So I placed a couple phone calls to them, and between a few back and forths, they decided they were up to the task of building a one-off 12-inch coilover setup for this truck. So being that this is going to be a one-off kit, obviously Bulletproof needs the truck to build the kit off of. Now they've gone ahead and built the parts that they know they're going to need. That way it kind of speeds up this whole process, so by the time they have the truck, it's not going to be stuck with them for too long. Now that being said, it still is going to be 2 to 3 weeks, because they need to build the parts on the truck, send them out for powder coat, and then reassemble the truck prior to me getting it back. Now there's a ton of shit in this truck, as you can see, and this is like, it was cleaned out pretty recently. It's just stuff really builds up when you live out of your truck / work out of your truck. But anyways, so Bulletproof is about 3 or so hours away from me. Now, it doesn't make sense for me to drive up there, have somebody follow me, drop the truck off, that way then we have to drive back together. Instead, I'm gonna have my buddy come pick it up. He does auto transport, so that's kind of what we're waiting on right now, is having him come over and pick up the truck. So in the meantime, we're gonna get this bad boy all cleaned up. All right, so the truck's all nice and cleaned out. Check out my sweet boat shoes. I was playing boat guy this morning. So the reason we're doing this all so late is, number one, my truck driving buddy has to be up in that area at like 6 in the morning tomorrow, which would mean I'd have to load my truck up at about 2 or 3 in the morning, which doesn't sound that fun. So we're gonna do it tonight, the night before. And we couldn't do it earlier because I had to go film a video for my buddy Josh while he was detailing a boat. So while we wait for my buddy to show up, let's cut to a clip of that now. All right, so we just got word. My buddy should be coming up here any minute. We're gonna go meet him at the top of the road because the cul-de-sac's a little bit tight to turn around on. He doesn't want to try it, so we're gonna head on up there.
All righty. Yeah, buddy. What's up, buddy?
Holy! What do we got here?
Oh, hey guys.
Everybody's favorite. Dude, sweet headset, buddy.
Oh, thanks, man.
I thought you would have washed the truck before you came to pick up my truck.
You know, it's been busy, man.
There you go.
What's on the wash?
What's up, Chris? You his road dog now?
Yep.
You guys a little traveling couple or what?
Yep. Yep.
Everybody say hi to Andre. Or do we go by Marco?
Marco.
All right, everybody say hi to Marco. Say what's up to everybody on YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
So Marco over here, come on buddy, let's get in tight, get in tight. So Marco over here just called me on the way here and he's like, dude, I just saw somebody with a Silverado, or else GMC, with a WORKFORIT sticker on the back. Now mind you, I get people that send in pictures and videos all the time of people that they spot in their town, and I've never spotted somebody in my town with one. And sure as shit, the second after he calls me, that guy pulls up to say what's up. So shout out to you, brother. I appreciate you stopping by and saying hi. And yeah, let's fucking do this, bro. You ready?
Yep.
All right. What do you got back here? Hold on. Let's see.
Yeah, man.
You got hookers in the sleeper.
Yeah, you know.
Dang, man, this thing's pretty sweet.
Gotta be prepared, man.
What year is this bad boy?
12.
2012?
Yeah.
Kenworth?
AW.
Check it out. Check it out. We get the white glove service here at Mac Auto Transport.
Yeah,
make sure we take care of our vehicles. It's pretty slick. Chris used to work with Marco. And how long did you work for him, Chris? Chris is behind the camera, by the way.
A year.
Chris worked for him for a year. Well, he sat in the passenger seat and ate snacks for a year.
And took naps.
And got stung by a bee and took naps. They didn't have a sleeper then. What'd you do without the sleeper?
Day cab.
Oh, dang. Chris took naps in a day cab. That's rough. It's going up top.
Nice.
Yeah.
Like, I gotta give me one of these trailers. Or should I load it? Is it sketchy?
Load it.
It looks sketchy.
Load it.
Let's get you, man.
All right, I'll load it. Let's do this. Look at that. That's an any level lift right there. Check that out. This thing's got hydraulics now.
Going up.
That's about the height right there. You're ballsy, brother. Get up under there. You can get up under that thing flopping around like that.
Why you gotta go so high?
Oh, why is the truck over there?
Go for it, buddy. Rap. Big old freaking obstacle course for Chris. He's having a heyday right now. We're gonna travel with it that high?
No, I'm gonna drop it in.
Oh, okay. You just make room
Yeah,
for so this kid over here can play around on your truck?
Yeah, we don't want it hitting any trees.
No. We don't. So, Andre, Marco, Andre. I don't know. You got two names. What do you want to tell people that are thinking about getting in the auto transport industry, other than stay off your turf?
Don't do it, man. It's been tapped out.
Is it?
Everybody's doing it, man.
Really? I heard there was good money in it.
If you really want to do it, just make sure, you know, you do your homework, talk to CHP, talk to as many people as you can, make sure you're legit from the beginning, because once you get backwards, you fall into bad habits and it's tough to get out of.
Like doing speed at the truck stop?
Yeah.
Don't do speed at the truck stop. No.
Don't get caught doing speed.
At the truck stop.
Hey, what does this button do?
Go ahead, pull some levers, see what happens.
I want to get out of the way, Andre.
Chris is always up to no good. Oh, that's the front one. Are you sure you used to do this?
I thought you used to work with him. Oh, that's the spot right there?
That's done.
That's where you want it?
That one's good.
Apparently not.
He's fucking it up.
He's messing it up? You know, usually when we got videos of stuff like this, it comes down to, you know, everybody likes to let me drive their trucks to really get a good feel for it. Now, you know, I'm not gonna say I've never driven.
Yeah, you have your permit, right?
Yeah. I'm not gonna say I've never driven a semi, but what could go wrong?
Let's go, man.
You in?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah, let's do this. Come on, buddy. Hop in the sleeper. Damn, dude. What, like, they got air ride seats for a reason. You're supposed to put, like, air in them. Where's our...
Yeah, put your foot on the brake.
Yeah, foot's on the brake. Are we sure, like, all our brakes are... Oh, we turned the PTO off, right?
Oh, shit.
Yeah. I'll show you how to drive your truck. We don't want the PTO on. How long is this clutch?
It's brand new, man.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so when you get like 14, 15 RPM, you downshift.
Downshift?
Don't use the clutch.
Don't use the clutch?
Just let off the gas and shift down.
Oh, you're crazy, dog.
Off the brake.
Alright, now can I do it? 15?
Go, hit it. Go. There you go.
Oh, dude, we're floating gears. Where's the CB?
I don't know.
You don't have a CB. Should we do it at 15 again?
Yeah.
Shift again?
Yeah, this way. There you go.
Oh, dude, we are trucking, buddy. Yew! Engine brake. Oh, yeah. Oh, we don't even need the brakes.
Nope.
This is what it's like, huh?
Yeah,
it's the life of a big rigger.
That's right, baby.
Oh, that's where you gotta reach.
Man.
You gotta reach way up there.
Yep.
It's a bad spot for that, man.
Peterbilt's are over there. Everybody's over there. Kenworth's right there.
It's a horrible. Like I'd have like a pulley over here. Drive it. Shift. Just here we go.
That shit, dude. Make it wide.
Yeah, make it fucking wide.
What are you talking about, dude? We got it. We got it.
Alright, go to fifth.
Oh, yeah. I don't know what gear that was. That's fifth. Yeah, we're good. Oh, dude, we are rocking.
I go back to first.
So fucking
The car, bro! Just let off the clutch, let off the clutch.
I think you should pull over right here, let Andre finish this out.
Oh, dude, what could go wrong? Check this out, check this out.
Attaboy.
Dude, we got it now. It just takes me a minute.
Is that what truckers do these days? They vape?
Yeah, when they get nervous. Yeah, they start vaping.
Why are you nervous?
What flavor you got?
Green tea, raspberry?
I don't know, man. It's like lemonade, menthol lemonade.
Second.
There you go.
Hey,
Smooth, man.
Shit.
You got this, Andre.
Good, man.
Shit.
Find that grinding. That means we're going into gear.
Shit.
Can't find the grinder, right?
That's it. Can you do that while it's
And the fan coming on doesn't help either.
What does that
Makes it harder to shift.
Does it?
Yeah, because it lowers your RPMs quicker.
Oh, dude,
You know, it goes on all the time thanks to the DEV system.
Stupid emissions.
And usually that check engine light on is usually from the DEV system too.
Oh. So we just don't worry about
Basically,
it.
the truck's awesome, but the whole DEV thing.
Actually, roll the windows up so we can like. Why are you sweating?
Good, man. Just do your thing, man.
Getting better.
So you loaded it?
Are you ready to hire Ryan?
Yeah, man. Just gotta wash them for a little bit.
I think I got this now. Who this?
Sure. You need a headset, man.
Oh. No, my bad. My bad.
Yeah, he loaded the truck. He drove the truck. You know,
I'm just blowing this up.
give him a couple days.
Just so you know.
Blow a stop sign.
Yeah. Hey, we gotta
He's
get
ready,
below
man.
there.
He's ready.
Eastbound and down, loaded up in trucking. We gonna do what they say can't be done. How'd I do? Hold on, let's get a report card. How'd I do, buddy? I mean, hold on, let me wipe the sweat off a little bit. All right, what do you think? For my first time.
B minus.
I'll take that, I'll take
Above
that.
average.
Hey, we're on a lot of hills.
Above
There's a lot of
average.
hill starts over here.
Seen this shit?
Is this what it was like working with Chris?
You know, I put my face over there, man. You're putting your shoes where my pillow is.
Dude, that's gross.
Stinks over here.
What's wrong with you?
Might be gone by the time you get it back.
You want one? I'll give you one. For a WORKFORIT key tag?
Yeah.
What? What? What's the matter, buddy?
Oh man, what happened? You don't have one?
One more thing I can check off my bucket list. I've always wanted to drive an 18-wheeler. I've driven dump trucks and all that, but it's just not the same as towing a big-ass trailer, so that was pretty cool. Where'd Andre go?
Well, this is it, guys.
Everybody say goodbye to the old GMC. What are you doing, dude?
Chris, what are you doing? Oh, okay.
Dude, Chris is like a giant kid, I swear. Hey, sick vape, bro. So, as you guys know, we're gonna be without the truck. I think they say 2 to 3 weeks, so it's gonna be a minute. But don't worry, we're still gonna have plenty of content coming. So, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. That way, you can all follow along with the BBB build, which is, I'm sad, man. I'm gonna be sad without this truck for a while. You gonna take good care of it?
Yeah, man.
I mean, you're only gonna have it for a day, but you swear it's gonna come back better than ever. So here's the other issue. When this thing's done, it's gonna come back with a 12-inch lift on the front and stock in the rear. You be able to get that back down here to me?
Yeah, man, as long as it has stock tires on it. I can drop it. I mean, it's not a big deal, but
All right, well, there you go.
preferably I'd like to have it like that.
We'll get it all figured out. That's why I pay you. I'm not really paying you, though.
Nah,
You got me right?
got key tag.
Yeah.
It's all good.
What are friends for?
Maybe a hat, maybe. Feeling generous.
I gotta see if I have any extra smalls for you, for the little head that you got over there.
Small
But
medium, man.
small medium. All right. So thanks, buddy. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Appreciate you picking up the truck. Take good care of her. Say hi to everybody up at Bulletproof for me. And yeah, guys, the next time you see this truck back down here, it's gonna have a front end lift kit on and an update on the rear lift kit. It should be here any day. So that'll be another cool update for you guys to see when the rear lift kit gets here, and then we'll have everything ready to get that bad boy finally finished up. Are you excited?
Very excited.
Are you excited?
Super excited.
There you go. All right, guys, so thank you for watching these videos. Chris just got smoked out or vaped out.
The wind.
All right, Vaporoni. You guys say roll the outro.
Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.